Imagine waking up one morning and hearing that the world's largest rainforest, the lungs of our planet, is no longer able to save us. The Amazon rainforest, a place so massive it stretches across 9 countries, is disappearing faster than scientists once believed possible. For decades, experts warned that deforestation was dangerous. But now, a terrifying new prediction is emerging. If destruction continues at this pace, the Amazon could reach a catastrophic tipping point before 2030. And once that line is crossed, there may be no way back. The Amazon is not just a forest. It produces around 20% of the world's oxygen and stores billions of tons of carbon dioxide that would otherwise heat our planet even faster. It controls rainfall across South America and influences weather patterns around the world. Without it, farms could fail, rivers could dry up, and global temperatures could rise beyond control. Yet every single minute, huge areas of this rainforest are being cut down, burned, and destroyed. At first glance, the damage may seem distant. A few trees gone here. A small fire there. But when seen from space, the truth is horrifying. Massive scars now stretch across the Amazon where dense green jungle once stood. Entire ecosystems are vanishing. Thousands of species are losing their habitats before scientists even discover them. And the worst part? Much of this destruction is being driven by human greed. Illegal logging operations move deep into protected areas, cutting ancient trees that took centuries to grow. Vast parts of the rainforest are burned to create cattle ranches and farmland. Gold mining poisons rivers with mercury, killing fish and contaminating water used by indigenous communities. Roads cut through untouched jungle, opening the door for even more destruction. Every year, the damage grows larger. But scientists are no longer only worried about deforestation. They are worried about something even more terrifying, the Amazon's tipping point. This is the moment when the rainforest loses so many trees that it can no longer sustain itself. Instead of remaining a lush rainforest, huge sections could transform into dry savanna. Rainfall would collapse. Fires would spread more easily. Trees would die faster than they can regrow. And once this process begins, it could trigger a chain reaction impossible to stop. Some researchers believe we are dangerously close to this point already. Certain parts of the Amazon are now releasing more carbon dioxide than they absorb because of fires and deforestation. That means the forest is slowly changing from Earth's protector into another source of climate pollution. This was once considered impossible. Now it is reality. The year 2030 keeps appearing in climate discussions because scientists fear it could become the point of no return. If current trends continue, vast regions of the Amazon may suffer irreversible collapse within just a few years. Think about that. One of the most important ecosystems on Earth could begin permanently breaking apart before many teenagers today even turn into adults. And the effects would not stay inside South America. The Amazon acts like a giant climate engine. Trees release enormous amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere, creating rain clouds that travel across continents. If the forest weakens, rainfall patterns could shift around the world. Droughts may become more severe. Heat waves could intensify. Food shortages could spread. Cities already struggling with extreme temperatures may face conditions never experienced before. The people living inside the Amazon are also facing a growing nightmare. Indigenous tribes who protected these forests for generations are now fighting for survival. Many communities are threatened by illegal land grabbers, miners, and armed groups. Rivers they depend on are polluted. Wildlife they hunt is disappearing. Ancient cultures tied to the forest are at risk of vanishing forever. And then there are the fires. Every dry season, terrifying images emerge of smoke rising across the rainforest. Some fires are natural, but many are intentionally started to clear land. During extreme droughts, these fires spread uncontrollably, turning entire regions into ash. In some places, smoke becomes so thick it darkens the sky during daytime. Animals trapped inside the flames have nowhere to escape. What makes this crisis even more alarming is that climate change itself is now accelerating the destruction. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns are making the Amazon hotter and drier. Droughts that once happened once every 100 years are becoming more frequent. Dry forests burn more easily, and burned forests struggle to recover. It is a deadly cycle feeding itself. Yet despite all this, there is still a narrow window of hope. Studies show the Amazon can recover if deforestation is drastically reduced and damaged land is restored. Some countries have already shown that stronger environmental protections can slow forest loss. Indigenous territories remain among the best protected parts of the rainforest because local communities understand the land better than anyone else. Technology is also helping expose illegal activities. Satellites now track deforestation in real time, revealing hidden logging roads and fires deep inside the jungle. Environmental activists, scientists, and indigenous leaders are working together to defend what remains. Around the world, younger generations are demanding stronger action against climate destruction. But time is running out faster than expected. The Amazon is no longer a warning about the distant future. It is becoming a crisis of the present. Every acre destroyed pushes the rainforest closer to collapse. Every fire, every illegal mine, every cut tree moves the world one step nearer to a dangerous climate future.